All right, so picked up this electric power steering kit for the Miata. We're gonna try to install it today and see how it turns out. All right, so first thing I'm doing is bolting this shaft onto the electric power steering unit here. So there is a little Allen here that you gotta loosen. Make sure that the thread's going nice and good. Tighten the Allen back down, then put these 3 bolts. Make sure to put the module on the top bolt here, looking downward here. All right, so this is what I got going on. So this is actually something that I put in there that eliminates some other stuff. So the only thing I really had to disconnect is this right here, which is the clock spring portion that goes in here. Does like your blinkers and your windshield wipers and all that stuff, turning all that on and off. And then it's pretty clear to get the steering shaft out. Obviously I could disconnect this just to make sure that this isn't going to get in the way. So I'll probably do that just to make sure. Yeah, so next step is unbolt the shaft and see about getting it all together. All right, so here's the 2 units side by side. Old, crusty, new. Let's go with, we don't know if it's hotness yet, but new. Yeah, just new. All right, so the instructions say to put this piece on loose so you can have some movement. So I guess you can like line all this up. So that's what we're gonna do. And at the same time, I'll bring this in through that hole up there, and we'll see how much extra wire I need, so on and so forth, later on. All right, so I put the panel back on, put the bolt back in, tighten those 2 bolts up there. So now the lower portion is on. Now I just need to put the big part on. The one problem I ran into was that's the wrong like add a fuse type thing. It's for the micro ones, so need to get the other one. But beyond that, everything else is back installed. Just need to put the steering wheel back on and hook it up to the alternator.
Now let's try it out. Factors: less effort, ample feel, adjustable.